Hey guys, I'm X1X here, and today I'm going to show you this game. It's called, where is it? It's called Paper Planet or Paper Airplane Planet. We just trick around airplanes. Paper airplanes like this. That was a bad one. That was a very bad one. Really. I already played this game for a little bit. Yeah, it feels good. It makes you rage.
Rage noises.
Shut up. My little brother, he just like, what is it called when somebody was like a photobomb? Somebody's video bombing you. That was not perfect.
I think it's called
Shut up. Come on, give me that.
Yes.
I'm gonna go for here. Come on, that should be good. Another high score. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna definitely watch that. Nope, I forgot I don't have. Boom. That good? Nope. I'm trying to get those perfects. Those perfects get me high scores. Gotta go through. Will you reach that area? No, we're close.
Are we in reach?
Okay, let's try getting perfect right here. Ooh, beautiful. And hit this. Boom. We're gonna go here. Boom. We're gonna turn here. Should make this. Come on. The tree. I forgot about the trees. Trees in this game are annoying, as you can obviously tell. Okay, we're gonna go here. How do you keep on miss that? I'm not gonna go far though. 12:09. I mean, that's fine with me. Boom, perfect. So I've just upgraded my launch bar, so hopefully we should be able to go past those trees that are cute. Past those trees, underneath them. Dang, I need to have my air guys and go around them. Free. Oh, I forgot I don't have that videos. So what we got here? Let's go to Tree Hill Village. It's pretty nice, I guess. Well, Tree Hill Village gives you good boost. It gets you so far. Tree Hill Village.
Can we go there?
This is right here. Golden Fish Harbor. Okay. You can also visit there again. Oh, no way. That was nice. That was clutch, too. And you discovered Woodstock. Apparently, this should be fine, right? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is such good.
We're land them houses. I hit somebody's roof. Oh, it's a big building.
Oh.
We leveled up, boys. Let's go. Woo. Nice job. Let's get, I forgot no video. Let's see if on a normal one, can we still make it? Or can we go on a normal one? I'm sure going to do that stone hedge over there. Can I?
I think it's called Stone Edge.
Well, not getting that offline earnings because I don't really need it right now. I don't use. Okay, I missed that too. Let's see how far we can go just because we missed that. Perhaps no, we went over it. Okay. 8. And make those turns quick. Come on. I think we might have too much speed. We can't make those turns. We do. Look at my air glider. Oh, nice high one. Come on, we're almost there. Oh, we're. Oh, it's late time. It's just gonna shoot me up. Just maybe enough to get into there too.
What's this called?
You discovered Old God's Ruins. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, we're gonna keep on moving. Come on. 2,000. 2,000. Nice job. I mean, we're on to World 4. You unlocked a new plane. Should upgrade air gun. I'm stupid. Well, I'm gonna equip that now. So I figured out my new way. We're just gonna get 2 boosts this time, which is better.
Let's see if we can get to the ruins.
The ruins are pretty cool. That's pretty far into ruins. We only got halfway there. He's fine though.
Great.
Air glide. Oh no, we're not. We're way. What happened there?
Maybe this one's not good.
Hi, my brother. He's just. I don't know what he's doing. He's watching, I guess. So let's go this way. Get the high altitude. You're barely gonna make it into Lake Town. That's what I learned, okay? Pretty high, and you're gonna barely make it into Lake Town. Or you not even make it, I don't know. I see like.
Oh God, one old ruins. I could get it to the mountain.
I'm gonna try getting to that one over there. I think we might make it too. Lily. No, you're close.
Whoa.
Your high score's gonna be right over there.
Oh, great.
I can't. Oh, look at this. Ooh. 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 This is the hardest one, getting to Lake Town. Sometimes we fail, this time we do not either. We're getting good for Lake Town. Come high. Oh no. Didn't get all of it. We got 2006. So I guess we're gonna get air glide because that is gonna help us a lot.
Have you ever got to a balloon?
The balloons are hard to get. It's like straight up, I think.
Can you aim?
No, you can't aim.
You can't?
I don't think you can. Got it. Oh.
If you get a balloon, what do you get?
I don't know.
Do you just get a new area to launch?
Maybe, I don't know. Oh, got 207. I wonder how. Okay, so this is the. I just want to show you guys what a normal one is like.
This is another one.
Yeah, a normal one doesn't exactly get you too far. Just maybe gets you. This actually brought me to weird places I've never been. I'm going through the old standard way on purpose because I have not been able to do the old standard way very long time. Okay, we have a high power on this one. So I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna head here. Through this bridge is gonna be something here. It's not far, but I want to check out the new areas. Just unlock areas. What outlet? Ah, come on. We're just gonna die for this one. If you can. There we go. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now.
Are we always gonna be here?
Yeah, I'm gonna try getting it perfect, and then we're gonna go from there, and we're gonna go woo-ah! And beautiful, beautiful, perfect. Missed that. It's fine though. No, what is this? Oh, we barely. I didn't get that.
Looks like you got it.
I know. Perfect. You discovered the tree of life. Oh, I got it, but then I died.
Let's get to the tree of life.
Tree of life's on this side right here.
Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Where's the tree of life takes you here? It's a road to the desert. I
Whoa.
wonder what that is. Well, this gave me far. Whoa, I never. Okay, let me.
Let's go to the tree of life and then the road to the desert. I went far.
It's over here. I'm gonna check. Oh, past the windmill. Gives you to the boats, I guess.
Another boat?
Oh, here. Here goes. Let's see. Did we discover anything? No. Try air glide again. So I'm gonna go the right way this time. Boom, and go over here.
Oh, Brian, you missed the ruins.
Okay, let's see what's over here though. Oh, it's more sheep and
A
stuff.
sheep farm.
Discovered McDonald's farm.
What?
Looks like they're making cheeseburgers there.
How did you make cheeseburgers from sheep?
I think maybe cows, I don't know.
Looks like sheep.
This will be the last one for this episode. We'll be saying. So I'll see you later.
Perfect.
No, wait. This is going to be the second to last. Actually, never mind. This will be the last story.
My dogs. We dogs. We story.
Oh,
What do you know the way?
stop it annoying. 1948.
Let's try again.
Okay, it's fine. I'll just do one more, Kevin, okay? And one more.
Dad! Dad! Mom! Mom!
Shh.
It feels weird when Mom and Dad are late. Come on.
Okay, nice. And yep.